For the Viking hat, you're going to have 2 balloons fully inflated. Starts off exactly like the twisty hat. Make a bubble. This is the center of the forehead or the center of the back of the head. You're going to measure halfway around the head and then twist where that is. Your second balloon comes in where the nozzle twists into that second twist. And then you're going to finish measuring around the head. If you measured properly the first time, you shouldn't have to remeasure. You just make these even and twist them together. Then you meet them in the middle as if you were going to make the twisty hat, except you twist them together here. At this point, I usually alternate the colors going down. When this comes down and meets the side, I twist and then wrap it around that bubble. Do the same thing on the other side. Twist it, wrap it around, and then with these, you curl the horn parts. And you have yourself a nice, cool Viking hat with horns and such.